Hey guys, continuing our series for stop and wait protocol. This is video 3. In this video, we have been asked a GATE 2015 question of set 1. Right? This is regarding stop and wait. तो इस क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है गाइस? A bit rate of 64 kilobits per second. ओके, एक लिंक है ट्रांसमिशन मीडियम में जिसकी बैंडविड्थ है 64 kbps. Okay, and 20 millisecond is propagation delay. Okay, so TP will be 20 milliseconds. Assume that the transmission time for the acknowledgement and processing time at nodes are negligible. Okay guys, you must check the first video and second video of stop and wait protocol. Only then you will be able to understand this question, because there I have mentioned two formulas of the total time. One in which nothing is given, only TT plus 2TP, that is total time I am considering under the efficiency, where efficiency says efficient time upon total time. If nothing is given, then total time. If nothing is given, then the total time will be TT plus 2TP. If processing delay, queuing delays, everything is given, then we will be adding up those times in total time. Okay, here efficient time will be always TT of data, right? So now assume that the transmission time for the acknowledgement and processing time are negligible. So जो other times थे, that is already negligible, so we will be using this formula for total time. Transmission time of data plus 2TP, that is propagation delay. Okay, the minimum frame size in bytes. Okay, in bytes it have been asking minimum frame size. Frame size L of data needs to be find out in bytes. Okay, and link utilization efficiency is given as 50%. So this efficiency is given as 50%, which is 1 by 2. Okay, so let me directly put the formula. Efficiency is 1 upon 1 plus 2 alpha. Okay, so here alpha is distinguished as TP upon TT, right? So efficiency is given 1.1 by 2, 50%, 1 upon 1 plus 2 alpha. Let me cross multiply this. So it will be 1 plus 2 alpha is equals to 2. So 2 alpha is equal to 1, alpha equal to 1 by 2. So alpha is TP upon TT. So alpha is TP upon TT. So here it will be called as, from this it will be called as alpha equal to 1 upon 2. So TP upon TT equal to 1 upon 2, right? So we want to find the length of the data, and TP is given, bandwidth is given, TT is equals to L upon B. Okay, so TP is given as 20 milliseconds. Okay, 20 equal to TT into 2, cross multiplied, TT multiplied with this and TP multiplied by this. So TP is 20 milliseconds, so TT will be 40 milliseconds, but we want to find length. So TT is L by B equal to 40 milliseconds. Then what we have is, let me solve here. So L upon bandwidth is given as 64 kbps. So 64 kbps equal to 40 milliseconds. So L is equal to 40 into, millisecond will be converted to 10 raised to power minus 3 into 64, and kbps will be converted to 10 raised to power 3. Okay, so 10 raised to power 3 and 10 raised to power minus 3 is cancelled. So L equal to 64 into 40 is 2560. So this is in bits, and the answer have been asked in bytes. So L equal to 2560 bits divided upon 8 will be cancelled out. It will be 320 bytes, 320 bytes. Okay, so guys, it was a numerical type question. So here it will be bytes. They have asked for minimum frame size. The frame size will be 320 bytes. Okay, so 320 bytes is the answer of this question. Thank you.